sail away into the night, somewhere for.
Gina!
Where are you going?
This is just what's happened right now. I need to talk to my friend.
She won't have caught us if the fool I paid to mount the door did his job.
So what are we going to do right now?
Well, it's not the first time she's catching me pounds down with another lady.
It's about me. She's my friend and she's going to hate me for the rest of her life. So what are we going to do?
How do I want to take consignment? God,
Claire, I thought you said you were going to Harrison's. Why are you looking sad? Talk to me now. What is... Did he hit you again? Claire, talk to me now. Why are you looking like a child whose mom just abandoned? Answer me. Wait, let me guess. You caught him with another girl. Claire.
It's nothing. I'm fine.
See, you must really think I believe this nonsense you just said now. Talk to me. Oh, did you meet him with another girl? You caught him with another... I knew it. I knew it! It's either he's cheating on you or he's abusing you. If he's not doing one of those, he's doing both. Hey, Claire, why do you keep doing this to yourself?
I haven't admitted anything to you, okay?
Of course. You went to his place and you saw him praying and you were overwhelmed with joy, right?
Tasha, stop. Why, please, stop.
It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. I'll let you be. But I just want you to know this. He's not worth it. Do you hear me? He's not worth it. You better wake up.
So I made this shawarma specially for you because you're my most loyal customer.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Well, you got me hooked to your shawarma. It is the best I ever had, seriously.
I like the sound of that though.
Fine boy with a better mind.
I mean, your change is 200 now. I don't have it right now.
Don't worry, you can keep it. Okay?
Hey, thank you.
No problem, you're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, look at you, Alpha. What's up? Did you hear me, Alpha?
Guy, I thought you said you were taking the day off.
I'm up, bro. When I saw my account balance, I had to rush to work. Oh, I swear. Alpha now, what's up?
Nothing much, Jerry. I just got news now that they're increasing tuition fee this semester.
Are you serious? How true is that?
Bro, it's true. You know my cousin works at the admin office now. She just called me now to break the news to me.
Why is the institution so insensitive now? We never finish to pay the old one. They are already increasing. So what are you going to do?
I just have to find a way to pay you because this is my last session. We could do alright last.
It's not as if when we finish this school, there's one work waiting for us to even come and do, self.
Exactly.
No one later now, bro.
Oh, Brian. When did you get back?
About 5 minutes ago. Dad, I saw you at Mama Amaka's place again today. I thought we talked about this now.
I don't know why you're complaining about this. And besides, the last time I checked, I'm the father here. The one who gives the orders in this house, not the other way around.
Dad, I'm not trying to give orders.
I'm not having these conversations with you. Kachi was here today. Did he call you?
Yes, he did.
So what are you going to do about the increment?
That is still speculation. I'm still waiting to hear the actual news.
But he said his cousin works there. There must be an element of truth to it.
Just keep our fingers crossed. When that time comes, we will know what to do.
good Lord will help you. You know, it's your final session. Your mom will be proud of you now. You're so close to fulfilling your promise to her.
Claire, eat up now. Your food is getting cold.
Don't have appetite, Mom.
Are you sick? Should I call Dr. Shola to come check you up and maybe run some tests? Honey, Claire is sick.
Mom, I am not sick. I'm just not hungry.
Well, if you're not sick, you're not hungry. And something else is wrong. So what is wrong with you?
Nothing, Dad.
Nothing? You were supposed to have gone for your school reunion, and I checked your status. I couldn't see any posts.
Dad, it went well. I just didn't feel like What's up, guys? You all look amazing. Oh my God, big face.
You see why I didn't say play abroad? Because she will be behaving like her. We have a way of greeting in Africa. And instead of her doing that, did you hear her greet me?
Uncle, you said this before.
And you're still doing the same thing. Tomorrow you not say hi pop, hi pop.
These things, they take time, okay? But don't worry, I'll change.
Of course. You change when Adam comes back. And I'm looking forward to it.
How are you, Tasha?
Mama, I'm fine. I'm just trying to stay fab like you know?
It's okay.
What's up, class? How you doing? Okay. That's what he said. I'm here. Hi. Hi. Claire. Oh.
Hi, do you want shawarma?
Obviously, dude.
I'm sorry, I was carried away.
Please, we want 2 king-size shawarma, chicken shawarma precisely.
All right.
Do you have that?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We're ready in 10 minutes.
All right.
Yeah.
Sit down. Get a grip of yourself, girl. Come on. Sorry. Look at him, he's so cute. He's cute. Just like Harrison. And I'm sure he's a playboy too. Please sit down.
Here. The bill is 3,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come. Where the shawarma say they bring for you? Hey, who? You don't understand, man.
Hey, young man.
I got waiting.
I had to wait for our shawarma. I was attending to this.
Wait for what concern you. This will not be your business. Stay out of
Listen, it concerns me because this is my business, bro. This is my business. Don't shout here.
What?
Yes,
this
okay?
is your business. This is my babe. Stay out of it. You understand me? Come, get out.
This she's doing my business.
Okay, don't touch me. Go to the worry you.
I should do this please now.
No, I go wound this guy.
For the embarrassment. Leave this place now. Guy, bounce. Bounce, guy. Move.
Okay, now. I go see you back.
Rubbish. Are you okay?
Yes.
In fact, I didn't even feel pity for you. What are you doing with that kind of guy? Eh? No, talk what are you doing with him now? Talk.
I understand, but I love him.
You love him? Love?
Yes.
That guy is going to kill you. Move to the next available girl like it didn't even matter. Why are you behaving like this now? Stay away from that guy. I'll be safe.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah.
Claire. Yeah. You barely said a word since we came back. What's it with the negative vibes today?
Negative vibes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm fine. I'm just thinking about what happened at the shawarma spot today. Like, I literally can't get that image out of my head.
I know, right? It was like so exciting. It was like a movie scene. I never even thought that a boy that cute could fight. I should learn some moves from him. Like, did you see the way he was fighting?
See,
yeah?
It's really not about the fight. Did you hear him? Did you hear what he said to that girl? He said he would kill you and then move on to the next available girl. That's what he said.
He's right, don't you think? I know what you're thinking right now, okay? And trust me, I'm not here to influence your thought or anything. But I just want you to take time out and think about what you really want. Think about Harrison. Is it Harrison you really want? Just think about it. That's all. Okay? Alright? Hey. I want shawarma.
Sorry, we're closed for the night. Chicken or beef? What size do you want?
It's fine. I don't want to inconvenience you.
No,
It's
inconvenience me. I have bills to pay. I'd love to serve a beautiful lady like you this night, though. I mean, so what size do you want?
Chicken, king size.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
Please.
Alright, come right up in 10, yeah? Hurry.
Maybe us tonight. I wanna treat you fine. Anything you want tonight. I'm gonna treat you right. Make you understand that I'm the man that loves you. Make you understand that I'm the man that wants you. City eyes, see I gotta leave some boy. Wanna make you mine. I wanna be your fool. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. I know you want me to, and I wanna be your lover. Oh, I really wanna get down. I really wanna roll with you tonight. Turning my lights down low. I really wanna roll with you tonight.
So, what are you now? His chauffeur?
I don't know, but I love to be. I mean, so cute, so fine.
So what about Harrison?
Seriously, T? You haven't seen me this happy in a long time, and what, you're just gonna bring back bad thoughts?
I'm sorry, okay? But the bad thoughts will keep coming. Because the issue is still there, can't you see?
I know, right?
Does he feel the same way?
He does. I mean, he told me that himself. He broke up with his girlfriend 6 months ago, so...
So he's single?
Not anymore.
I'm sorry, okay? But I just want to know how you handled this, knowing how fragile you are. I just want to understand.
I don't know, and seriously, I don't know. All I know right now, all I can think of is I'm in love with him. I'm in love with Brian. That's it. That's all I can think of.
You're in love?
I love him. Have you seen his face? Oh my god, it's so cute.
You know, I think my dad was more affected by the death of my mom. He started drinking alcohol. I mean, a lot of it.
Wow. He must have really loved her.
Love. That man was obsessed with his wife. When I was 16 years old when she passed away, those last days, I remember it like it was yesterday.
Oh. He must have been so young. So why didn't he remarry?
Everybody knew that he loved his wife so much that he wasn't going to remarry.
And you must have loved her too, right?
Of course I did. I did a lot, you know.
So what was the cause of her death?
Breast cancer. She fought the disease for about 3 years. We spent everything we had on treatment, hospital bills. But at the end of the day, she died.
I'm so sorry.
Yes.
You miss her, right?
A lot. You know, she made me make her a promise that I was going to go to the university and I was going to finish with my degree.
And look at you, you're doing that, right?
Yeah, I vowed that I will keep that promise. And I'm working towards it ever since.
Yeah.
I want to show you something. Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow. Seven A's.
I tried, yeah?
This is brilliant. I'm so impressed. People like you should never have to pay tuition fees. You should be on a scholarship or something.
I tried to land the scholarship, but it didn't just work. I really tried, but...
I mean, but look at you, right? You're doing it all by yourself, without help from anybody.
Just like my dad always said, a focused man is the most dangerous man on the planet. Once you put your mind to it, you can smash it, you can do it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Shitty, I see I gotta leave some for you. Wanna make you mine, I wanna be your for you. I'm falling in love with you, I'm falling in love with you. I know you want me to, and I wanna be your lover. Let me be yours tonight.
We don't have to do this. As much as I really want to, but we can wait.
I want to.
Make you understand that I'm a man that loves you. Make you understand.
How are you?
We're working on this new oil refinery, and I was thinking you'd love to help on that.
Oh, sure. Well, I'm already into that, but lithium, that's tomorrow.
Oh, hi, babe.
Hello, darling.
Oh, hi, babe.
Welcome back.
Thanks, Mom. Hey.
Well, I thought you went to the mall. Why are you coming back so late?
Yes, Dad, that was the plan, but we later went to see a movie, so...
You could have called me. You got us all worried.
Dad, I tried, but the network is very bad today, I guess.
Really? Well, my network wasn't bad, so how come yours sucked?
Well, maybe it's the coverage at the mall.
Anyway, you care to join us for dinner?
No, Mom, I'm not hungry.
You're not?
Excuse me, sir. Let me just check up on her real quick.
Yeah, it's okay. So how was...
You know you can fool your parents, but not me.
I told them the truth. I don't have any reason to lie. Besides, I didn't know you're in town.
That's why we were hanging out with heaven knows who. In fact, who is this your friend?
You don't know her.
Alright, call her. I want to know her today.
It's late and she's probably sleeping. I mean, do you want me to wake her up?
Take off your pants.
What?
You heard me. I've seen you take off your pants 1,000,000 times. What's the big deal now? Because I want to smell it to know if you've had sex. Did I stutter?
Bro, how can somebody be stupid and smart at the same time?
That's a very big contrast. Who might that be?
It's not somebody you know, it's one of my friends. It's Brian Uzo.
Are you trying to be funny or what?
No, I'm trying to make you laugh. Because I don't understand why you would be stupid enough to think that you can date a girl like Claire. Bro, the distance long from here reach Sokoto. This girl is clearly out of your league.
Bro, if you have low self-esteem, that's your business. I cannot help you. I like Claire, and I'm going to take my chances with her. If you like, make the distance long with Sokoto, I will travel out.
Bro, is this your stupid confidence that will kill you one day? Because I know that you know that everybody on campus knows that Claire has been dating Professor William's son, Harrison, forever.
But they're not married.
Oga, there's a good chance that they're going to end up together.
There's no engagement ring on her finger.
Oh.
So there's a good chance that she's still very much single.
I don't know what I'm doing with you in this life. Listen, don't come to me by the time they crush your heart into pieces.
Don't worry, bro. I know what I'm doing. I won't get hurt.
That's my problem with you. You don't listen. You don't listen. Play something, Joe.
Claire, my heart can only love you, and my soul recognizes only your voice. Let me hold you together forever as my beautiful wife. Will you marry me?
Claire! You scared me.
And there'll be a whole lot to be scared of. So my honest advice is, you should just start getting used to it. What the hell is wrong with you? Huh?
Oh. So I'm guessing you've seen the video, right?
Who hasn't? So you agreed to marry that monster after everything he's done to you? It's fine. No, it's fine. Your life, your choice. I don't even know why I'm bothering myself over
Tasha,
this.
why are you sounding like I have much of a choice? Huh? You know my dad is going to disown me if I had said no.
Does he know what he's been doing to you? All the cheating, emotional, verbal, physical abuse, does he know?
He does.
He does? And he's done nothing. Okay, what about your mom?
You know how vulnerable my mom is with my dad. I mean, she doesn't have much of a choice to. If she brings it up, my dad won't talk to her for days. I don't know.
Why don't you just run away? Yes, run away. You're the only child, so that'll like bring some senses into them, don't you think?
I can't do that. I'm sorry. I'm not that wild. No.
Yeah, I know. You're the daddy's girl, and I'm wild. I know. Fine, but come on now. You made the biggest mistake agreeing to marry Harrison. Does Brian know?
He's not been taking my calls, so I guess he's seen the video too.
You're the number 3 most trending video on the internet. Girl, you're famous. I think I should get an autograph, don't you think so? Okay, it's alright. But seriously, I really think you need to talk to Brian.
What do you want me to tell him? Like, this whole thing doesn't make sense to me. What am I supposed to tell him?
Come on. Just anything. Do something.
Tasha, please.
Claire,
I'm just
you need
tired.
to do something.
Just leave me alone.
Claire, this is your life we're talking about.
Hi, I'm closed for the day.
Yes, I know, but I was hoping you would make an exception for me.
Not today. I mean, I saw the video. You look pretty happy in it.
Yes, you saw the video, but did you hear me say yes? I'm trapped, Brian.
Then leave.
It's not that simple.
What does he have on you? Ah? What does he have on you?
So, I was first introduced to Harrison when I was 21. It was a big party at my place. Lots of politicians and very influential people. And one would think it was a political rally going on there, but it was just my dad's birthday.
I didn't know that was a politician.
No, he's actually not. He's just friends with a lot of them, most of them. And Professor William Chibuzo happens to be one of them.
William Chibuzo, that's Harrison's dad, yeah?
Yeah, he is. He's the Minister of Solid Mineral Resources, and he just discovered like a large deposit of lithium. So my dad is trying to get a piece of it.
Oh, so if he marries you to Mr. William's son, he's going to close the deal, yeah?
That's the deal.
So you're his bargaining chip then?
Well, if that's the way you want to put it, I don't know. I feel like that most times, but my dad is a good man, and he's never really asked me for anything before. Like, this is the first time, so I don't know.
This is not right, Marriage is not like a day thing. It's your life we're talking about here. That's really selfish.
I know, but at the end of the day, he's still my father, right?
Brian, but like seriously though, what did you think was going to happen? That man was going to let you marry his daughter? You fool.
You still feel like we have a chance, bro? Because, guys, she told me she doesn't love this guy. She told me herself that she doesn't love him.
But she's still wearing his ring. Do you understand that? Listen, Brian, I love you like a brother. So I'm going to keep it 100% with you. That girl is the daughter of a multi-millionaire who is engaged to the son of one of the most powerful politicians in our country. It was never meant to happen, my guy. And you're just a boy with a pretty face who sells shawarma by the roadside. How did you think that was going to work out?
Your point exactly?
My point is, if this was a movie, maybe you stand a chance. But this is real life.
How did I become friends with such a pessimist? I don't even understand how.
Bro, you could call me a pessimist all you want, but you know that I'm telling you the truth.
Can you just stop talking already? Come, what is the time, Seth? Guys, after 10 already. Come and start going to your house now. Yeah?
My house is just down the road. I don't know why you are driving me because I'm telling you the truth.
You talk, don't you give me a headache already, yo.
Don't worry, we can have that sorted. I have paracetamol in my bag.
Can't you come and be going to the house? Be going, guy.
Come and drag me now. Come and drag me. Maybe we don't already give you 7-0 per day.
Who's it?
Your dad.
Come in, it's open.
Why is your face like that? It's all right. Is everything all right? Is everything all right?
I'm okay, Dad.
No. My beautiful daughter can't just be okay. I'll make you all right.
How do you mean?
Flip through this.
What? You're transferring the ownership of Blink Furniture to me?
Yes, and much more. As soon as you marry Harrison, you get much more. It's all right, my darling. Now, you sleep. Tomorrow morning we'll celebrate. Good night, dear.
Wait, he's transferring the company to you?
I feel used, Brian. And the sad thing is, this wasn't done out of love, but greed. I feel like returning it to him.
I don't think it's a good idea. I think you should take it.
Why?
Claire, it's your right.
I feel like my dad is selling me off and giving me part of the money. He says he has something bigger for me after the wedding.
Wait, there's a wedding? But you don't love this guy now. And he's clearly manipulating you. Why?
Don't you think I know that by now?
Claire, I think we should run away.
You know, that was the same thing Tasha said, but I wish it was that easy. It's not.
Because, listen, you can go to another country or we can go to another country. You clearly have the means to do it.
He has my passport.
Why does he have your passport?
Well, he senses that I would want to run away and not marry Harrison, so he seized my passport till after the wedding.
This is more serious than I thought it was.
Yeah, that's the story of my life. Chaotic.
So sorry, Claire. You're really under a lot of pressure.
All alone in
Hey.
my world, trying my best to stand tall, even though my back's against the wall.
Nice suit.
Thank you, Dad.
So, you have an interview or something?
Interview by 6 p.m. No, Claire is having a dinner today, so she invited me.
That's why you're wearing a suit?
Yes.
Come here, son.
What?
Come!
I already did that now.
I know, that's why I'm redoing it. Don't want to go there looking like a man who just hardly got off his neighbor's wife.
Dad.
I'm sorry, son. That's the only way I could explain it, you know? I mean, a lot of people will be curious why you're there. And so, a lot of eyes will be staring at you.
I'm not even bothered about that, sir.
Trust me. You will.
Alright, thanks, Dad.
I knew I'll find you here.
Yeah, I had to leave after the toast. I wasn't feeling too comfortable anymore.
Well, I'm glad you didn't miss that.
Nah, I wouldn't miss it.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. I mean, I needed you for my mental strength.
I mean, I'm glad I showed up too.
I know this must be difficult for you.
What's going on here? Who is this?
Oh, Harry, this is my friend Brian. Brian Harrison, my fiancé.
Nice to meet you, Harrison.
Let's go in.
Claire, let's go inside.
Alright, sir, your order is ready. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you, sir. Please come again next time. Alright.
Give me the money, Jare.
Guy, now wow. I thought I would keep this one for myself.
Give me the money, sharp, sharp. Bring the money, business money.
Okay, but like seriously though, guy, that girl, right? I think you should consider her proposal. If I were in your shoes, my guy, I promise you, I'll keep receiving and receiving. I will receive until because it don't make sense, guy, for this thing to be over and then you not benefit anything from this girl.
You're not in my shoes, bro. So there's no collecting and receiving and collect and oh, yeah, give me the money. Thought I forgot. Give me the money. Thought I forgot about it.
But like, okay, fine. If you're not interested, okay, introduce me to this girl now. Eh?
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Wow, you have such beautiful skin.
Thanks.
Okay, so you know what's gonna happen, right? Can I have your number? Okay, so we can like get together sometime soon. Okay.
Stop. My boyfriend is washing, and besides, he's a very jealous type.
Okay, I was just trying to be friends, not as
What's going on here?
Nothing, babe. He's just trying to ask me if this was my first time.
Okay. I heard you guys make the best shawarma in the estate.
Yeah, actually we do.
Is that true?
Oh, yes, that's true. True.
All right,
true.
in 10 minutes, we'll come get it.
All right, definitely. Okay.
Let's go.
See you in 10.
All right.
Hopefully you see us again.
Which one are you acting as if you're hiding from somebody?
That's Harrison. What? Yes, that's Harrison.
And that's definitely not his girlfriend.
That's not Claire. Claire usually complains that he hangs out with her friends. I even sleep with them.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Kai! Bro, this life no balance. All these babies with a lot of money in their pocket, they'll just be mooing anyhow.
I swear. Living around with different girls, sleeping with his girlfriend friends. Can you imagine?
And I mean, he carry come.
Yes, now. It is plenty hair and light skin. Dad, are you traveling? I saw your bag packed.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing left for me here. Every time I go out, it just brings back memories of your mother.
Dad, it's been 10 years already now.
But it feels like yesterday. Have you been in love?
Yes.
Claire? My son thinks he's in love. How much of yourself can you give for her? I mean, can you give up everything just to be with her?
I don't know.
When you know, let's have this conversation again. I see what she does for you. She loves you. But you've not convinced her to stay. I'll leave first thing tomorrow morning.
I believe if I would butcher this evening, I have a meeting with Hassan's father.
It's quite sudden.
Yeah, you know, Claire and Hassan are now engaged, so we're moving towards the set goal.
Anyway, when will you be coming back?
Oh, latest I should be back by Tuesday. I'm missing you already, you know?
Don't miss me too much, okay? I'll be out of town and I'll probably be busy too. I wouldn't even notice you travel.
Tasha! Don't mind that. At times I have wondered whether my elder brother is the father. The man is such a gentleman, but she's such a pain. You know, she just does anything anyhow.
If paternity were the issue, you should probably get a DNA test. Don't you think?
So Claire, what will you be doing for the weekend?
This weekend, nothing, Dad. I'll just stay home and keep Mom company.
That's very good. That's really good. You know, Hassan will be in Abuja too. Do you have any message for him?
Oh, God. Uncle, it's the 21st century. If she probably had any message for him, she could actually do that from the table here. Don't you think so?
No. You know, at times I'm mandate to evict you from this house.
I'm sorry, you can't. I'm in my uncle's house and family don't do that.
And who is the uncle?
The person who just asked the question.
Man, I don't know how you guys cope with this shit.
What's that?
Long lashes. Let's see this. It's ridiculous, man.
It's amazing.
Oh, please spare me that. Holy shit.
What is it?
Tomorrow's Brian's birthday.
Okay, so?
So, I won't spend the weekend with him.
How? No, tell me how. You and I know that your mom would never allow you to sleep out, even now that your dad is not around. So how do you intend doing that?
That's true. Maybe we can tell her you want me to go with you to your event.
You want me to lie?
Like, that's not what you do for a living.
Really? Okay, fine. It's okay.
Sail away into the night, somewhere far away into the cold. Let me hold your hand, stir it into the skies, and then I'll touch you, and then I'll kiss you, and then I'll feel the beat of your heart, and there you take me into your paradise. It's beautiful. To my heart, never seen you looking so beautiful like you do tonight. Let me treat you right, let me set your heart on fire, holding you close to my heart. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Brian.
Thank you, Claire. This is the first time, I think if my mom passed, I'm celebrating my birthday.
Her death was a major turning point for you and your dad.
Yeah. My dad could not stand the memory anymore. He had to leave to the village.
Wow. That's the real definition of true love.
Yeah. I saw it firsthand. You know.
So, have you experienced something like that before?
No. But I want to. I want to experience a love so pure, so true, that it will make both partners want to do better, want to live better. would go out of their way to make each other comfortable. I want to find true love, pure love, real love. I love you, Claire. I love you, Claire.
I love you too.
Breathe. I can feel you losing your mind. Your body is chill. No need to fear what's
Brian, I want to do this every single day of our lives, and not just because it's your birthday.
Then let's do it, Claire. Let's do it. Let's fight for our love. Because it's not love if it's not worth fighting for.
show your love like never before.
Yeah, and I was like, he was so. Dad,
Yeah.
you're back. I wasn't expecting you till tomorrow.
Oh, something just came up. Very important. I had to fly back.
What is it?
Good evening.
I'm sorry, sir. It's just that we're not expecting you. It's obvious things are looking up.
Absolutely.
Where is Mom?
Oh, she's on her way now. She's coming in.
Mom, are you okay? You're not looking happy.
Sweetheart, look at this.
Oh my God. I think this is the point where I say it's a wrap. For Pete's sakes! Are we still in the 21st century or we're in the 1800s? Oh my God. Can someone just pinch me? Huh?
You know, I just realized what I was about to do to myself. Like, it just dawned on me. And this isn't even about my love for Brian. It's about the fact that I'm about to be manipulated by my own father. My own
Can you imagine? Come in.
Oh, how did I not even...
Tasha, I want to have a word with you.
I know what this is all about. I know what you're about to say. I know.
Tasha, please!
Mom, how could you allow this? How?
I am as surprised as you are.
Mom, I am not marrying Harrison. I am not. I will not.
This deal means a whole lot to your dad.
More than the happiness of his own child? Mom, I thought you didn't want to be a part of this.
I don't want to. And I don't also want him to disown you.
I don't care. Okay? Right now, I don't care what Dad does. I don't care. Because it's obvious that Dad does not love me. He does not. He doesn't care about me, my happiness. He doesn't. All he cares about is the miming of the lithium. I don't care. No. He can disown me. I don't care, Mom.
No, that's not true.
Tell me what is true. Tell me.
Prof is just a minor setback. Yes. You know, that's a minor setback and we'll sort it out. You know, she just developed cold feet, that's all. No. We'll sort it out.
Your daughter is a perfect pair for my son. But if he can't marry her, then kiss the mining license goodbye.
Prof, I told you, it's just a minor thing. We've come too far to start talking like this. Huh? My daughter just developed cold feet, which is understandable. I will sort it out.
And I hope it will be understandable too when you don't get the
see? You see what your daughter is causing me now. You see that I may not get that license because of her actions. And I keep telling you, you are seeing it.
It's okay now. It's okay. It's okay.
Mom, I'm sorry. I really would have come to see you, but I don't have any cash right now.
It's money already a problem?
Yeah, money is the problem right now. Your husband ordered the banks to freeze my account. Mom, he even removed me as the MD of Blink's Furniture.
Claire, he is still your father.
He's my father. He disowned me, Mom. At least you heard him say that, right?
I know, that's because he was angry.
Angry for what? About what? What did I do? What did I ever do to that man?
Claire, I want you back home. Please, come back home. I am already missing you.
I miss you too, but I'm sorry I cannot come back. Not now.
Okay. See, I'm going to send you some cash, okay? So that you use it and take care of yourself for me. Okay?
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, darling, I love you and I'm missing you. All right, darling. Okay.
Who are you and how did you get into my house?
Where's my daughter? Where is my daughter?
I have no idea what you're talking about. As you can see, there's nobody here.
I could charge you for abduction.
I've done nothing wrong, sir. I have no idea where your daughter is.
Just imagine, desperate boy kidnaps millionaire's daughter. I just thought about this. Just imagine what the media boys will do tomorrow.
Like I said, sir, I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. I know my limits.
I know she wants to use you to hurt me. I never knew about you, really. Just heard about you today. I'm prepared to pay you for you to release her to me. 2 million? 2.5 million. 3 million.
Like I said, sir, I have no idea where she is.
5 million.
Please, I think it's time for you to leave. Please. I said leave.
Desperado and arrogant recipe for disaster. This is not the end.
I thought he said he disowned me already. So why is he looking for me?
You know he didn't mean that.
Right now, I don't even care what he meant. I don't care.
Claire?
Brian, I hope you're not worried about his threats.
Just a little.
Why should you be? Did you kidnap me? I came here on my own. Besides, I'm an adult. Right?
Yeah, you're an adult. Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll all be fine.
So sick. I'm just so sick of all this.
Finally. Can I go now?
I am Detective Mark from the State CID. And to answer your question, you're not yet free to go.
After some of your men pulled outside there, acting like kidnappers, what am I doing here? What am I charged for? Detective. Mark.
There are no charges against you as we speak.
Oh, no charges against me? Then what am I doing here? I should leave now!
We need you to help us locate this girl. I am sure you know who she is. And her parents are really worried about her.
Oh, and they are worried.
Are you enjoying it? My sweetheart.
I am glad you have come back to your senses. Everything I do it for you. I bend backwards. I slave. Just to make sure you have everything on a platter of gold. What do? You just run off.
But at least she's back home. She's home now.
All right. I'll contact the wedding planner and then we can schedule an appointment.
Okay. What of Brian?
That's not a problem. I'll call the Assistant Commissioner of Police and then he'll be released.
Please, baby.
Now, people, go and get me something to eat. Prof, thank you for your patience. Thank you. We're back on track now.
I just hope your daughter won't have cold feet next time.
Oh, she's back to her senses. She won't try that again.
The information is getting to me is that she ran off to be with a boy.
No, that's absolute nonsense. That's a lie. She was with her cousin Tasha. You know her, don't you, Prof?
It's okay. I just don't want anything that will associate my family with negative press. You know I have my eyes on the presidency.
Yes. You get there. Prof, what about the license?
That should be the least of the worries. Now just do your bath and I'll do mine.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, which part you go use, sir?
I know this one. This one no dey work.
All this your excuse. I go still wipe you. You mind?
I won't use Messi today, guy.
You know, as you wish.
Hello, how far? Oh yeah, he's here with me. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can call me now. All right.
Who is that?
Mata.
My what? Have you gone nuts, bro? She did enter where? The Chris.
Bro, calm down. Okay? Like, she reached out to me and I just felt like you should hear her out.
Hear her out? Didn't even ask for my permission first. Until I say me she come inside my house.
Guy, you go, they calm down. No? Have you forgotten that I'm the one that hooked you guys up in the first place? Besides, I know that you've been caught up with all of this clear drama. So I wanted to remind you that you had a whole life before she came into our lives.
Guy, if you ask me first now, eh?
Relax now, she's already here. Better fix your face, don't be tying face here.
Hi, Brian.
I'm just gonna give you guys some space, okay?
Kachi told me what happened. I tried to see you, but the officers won't let me.
Thank you.
Has she tried to reach out to you since you got out?
I don't want to talk about it.
You should have seen this coming.
What?
Girls like Claire can never settle for guys like you. You're just their plaything. When they're bored with the kind of people, they jump at guys like you. And when they think they've had enough, they go back to where they belong.
Why do I feel like you're talking about yourself?
Brian, you know why I had to leave.
Really? Do I?
You would have done the same thing if you were in my shoes. I'm sure you'd do anything to save your mother, just like I did. Come on now. Brian.
I told you, this guy's best shawarma in town. It's fantastic. You don't like it?
I like it.
Okay. Wait, that's in the instruction.
Hey, baby.
Are you okay? You don't, should I get you something else? Are you sure?
When two hearts truly connect, it can hardly disconnect. When two hearts really bond, the women strong no matter what goes wrong. There will be opposing forces fighting them, conflicting and misunderstood feelings affecting them. But love conquers all at the end. Love conquers all. Love conquers all at the end of it all. Love conquers all, no matter the obstacles. If the love is true, love conquers all, no matter the obstacles. If the love is true, love will conquer all. If the love is true, love will conquer all.
Are you still thinking about Claire? You saw her at your sports today, and she has clearly moved on.
Mother, please go back to bed.
Stop punishing yourself over a girl that was just having fun with you. Come on now.
Mother, I'm not in the mood, please.
Where are you going? Brian, come back. Wait! You better come back to bed and keep me warm. Every time, Claire. Did you really warm? Come back. Here.
Yeah. Hello, baby. I just picked your wedding gown. So beautiful. I'm sure you will like it.
Even you, Mom? I thought you were on my side.
You made that choice yourself.
Yes, and that's because you and Dad left me with no choice. If I didn't do what I did, an innocent man would be hurt.
What are you talking about?
Brian's dad. Mom, they were going to hurt him and then charge Brian for kidnapping.
No, that's not true.
It is, Mom. And that's the main reason I came back.
Your dad's love for money has turned him into something else. That's not the man I married. That's That's not the man I fell in love with. See, if you end up marrying Harrison, your dad will be super rich and very, very powerful. But where would that lead you? You'll be miserable all the rest of your life. So you have to stand up and put yourself first. Okay?
I need to talk to Brian. I need to call him. I need to let him know why I decided to marry Harrison. I need to tell him.
Yeah.
Mom, where's Dad?
He's in his study.
About last night.
I don't want to talk about it.
Let me finish at least. Girls like Claire is not any good for you. Brian, you are sweet and smart. But you want to throw that away for a girl who's just playing with you. Come on now.
Brian.
Claire.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have come.
Hey. Claire! Claire! Claire, listen. I promise nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okay?
Nothing?
Yes.
What about last night? She has your shirt on. It's obvious she slept here.
But Claire, if I remember correctly, you told me that I should stay away from you. See what you said. You said you wanted to fix things with Harrison.
And you believe that?
What was I supposed to do? You told me the other day at the station, flesh and blood, that I should stay away. Plus, I signed an undertaking to stay away from you, Claire. What do you want me to do?
Brian, everything that I did for you. For you! I thought you'd be smart enough to figure it out.
Claire, what are you talking about? I don't understand.
My father sent men to your village and they took some pictures with your father. And then he sent those pictures to me as a warning that if I don't come back home and continue my marriage plans with Harrison, he would hurt your father and then charge you for kidnapping.
How did he know my father's village and his house in the village?
That's left for you to figure out.
Listen, Claire, I lost my mom at a very tender age and I'm not ready to be an orphan right now. So whatever thing you have with Harrison, go back and fix it, okay?
I thought you said our love was worth fighting for.
Not when it involves my father's life. No. Please, fix whatever you have with Harrison.
What about me? What happens to me?
Claire, just go back and fix whatever you have. Have a nice life. Please. Goodbye, Claire.
When two people love each other, they should try.
You're a coward! That's what you are! Coward!
No matter what may come their way, they should sort it out.
So you're just going to act like nothing happened?
Listen, I don't have time for your drama right now.
Oh, but you had time for her own drama. That you practically pushed me on the floor to go after her. Is it because she's rich?
Rich? Are you talking about money here? I fell in love with her not because of her money. I fell for her despite the circumstances, despite the situation. I did. And I don't regret it one bit.
I have been nothing but faithful to you, Brian. I could have stayed back in London, but I chose to return to you.
Start going back to that London because this thing is just a fling. It's not going to lead to anything serious. Are you listening? Nothing serious.
You can't
In fact, please, leave my house. Now.
Brian,
I said leave my house now.
Brian.
Now.
And my reputation I need to rescue. But please don't leave. Give me a chance to explain. Please don't go.
Yeah, hello?
Hello? I've been trying to reach you now.
The person you are just trying to reach now just had an accident.
What? How? Where? When? Where is she?
Okay. Route 5. Come down to Route 5 right now.
Please, just stay there with her. I'm coming. I'm not far away. No, I'm not far.
All right.
Hey, what? What is he doing here?
He was the first person they called after she had the accident. He called me and I told him to bring her back home.
Is he now her next of kin? Huh?
It happened that he was the last person to call her before the incident.
I have told you not to call my daughter again. You gold digger!
What are you doing?
I am going to get the ACP to arrest him now and take him back to jail. He's a gold digger, that's all.
Put him back to jail?
Oh,
for
yes?
what crime exactly? What did he do?
Mazi, please, whatever the problem is, let it go.
I mean, thank God for this young man. If not for him, your daughter's case would have been worse than this.
I don't understand.
This will be the last time you will enter into my premise or get near my daughter. Do that, you'll see what I'll do to you. Now get out of here! Get out now! Get out!
Oh, meanwhile,
Gold digger.
Mazi,
yes,
we need to admit her immediately for proper treatment.
Okay, go and get Joseph immediately to take her into the car.
Okay.
Go now! Go!
I'm going. Hey.
Kachi, how could you? Huh? How could you, bro? I trusted you, guy. My dad trusted you. He literally took you in as his own son. How could you do this to him?
Bro, I swear, I had no idea they were thugs. You should have seen the way he approached me. He looked very responsible. And he said he knows your dad from way back and he only wanted to see him.
So why didn't you tell me about it?
He said he wanted to keep it private, that he didn't want to ruin the surprise. What was I supposed to do?
You could not tell me. Eh? You could not tell me, but you told them his location.
Bro.
Eh? What if they had killed him, guy?
Bro, I am so sorry.
This is not the answer I expected from you, guy. How much did they even pay you, Seth?
100,000.
Kachi, 100,000 naira. That's all my dad is worth to you. 100,000 naira.
Bro, I swear I'm so sorry.
Come and be going, guy.
I'm sorry.
Kachi, come and be going, I beg. Kachi, leave. 100,000 naira.
Yes?
Just take a look at this.
What is that?
The face of the person there is that of a criminal. Okay? That's what my daughter has been talking about, but you will not listen. And they are not yet married.
Look, I talked to Harrison about this.
As if it's the first time. Is it the first time? No. That boy does not respect you. And it's not difficult for you to see. It's not. He only sees you as though you can only back without biting.
Enough! Enough!
I said it too hot. But I'm not going to keep quiet. I'm not going to keep quiet. I'd rather leave a husband than lose a child.
What are you saying?
Huh? I am not going to sit back and watch you destroy the life of my only child because of your selfish ambition. I will not do that.
But I have come a long way that I cannot go back now.
Okay. For the price you are willing to take, I am going to do what I have to do. Okay? My daughter's life is worth more than any dynasty at all. It's worth more than it.
Tina! Tina, come back here! What nonsense is this?
Claire, I said I'm sorry. I was in a meeting, I was busy.
Of course you were.
Okay, I'll make it up to you, I promise.
I don't want anything from you.
Why are you just overreacting like this?
I am overreacting. Really?
I already said I'm sorry. What more do you want?
And your apology is supposed to make me feel better.
You should be honored that I'm even apologizing. In fact, where were you coming from when this accident happened?
Is that even a question?
Yes, and I need to know now.
Well, you're not getting an answer from me.
Ah, you've grown wings. You're not a big girl, eh?
What, do you want to beat me?
It won't be the first time.
I dare you.
Ah! My eye, yeah!
What is it?
Jesus!
What is it? What?
Ah! God!
You
insulting
me and my family.
God! Please, please get me water.
That you're not getting.
So you're just going to me like this?
Of course, I do much more than that. I kick your ass, I kick you out of my house.
Then you better kick your license, goodbye.
I'll gladly do that. You monkey. Eh?
I don't know. Sorry.
Yes, Prof. You are very good at coming in when it concerns your son. But now, you've never said anything about my daughter since your son was abusing her. Eh?
What is there to talk about? You are the one who needs us.
Oh, maybe I don't need you anymore.
I had big expectations of you.
Aha, I'll remember that, Prof. I'll remember that in the future.
I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you.
Thank you there. Thank you there. But I was so greedy and selfish. I wonder if Claire would ever find it easy to forgive me.
Claire is our daughter, and I know she'll forgive you. She has a pure heart. And she wouldn't want to hate her father like that. No.
I let her down.
She wouldn't want to ruin that.
I let her down, I did.
I know, and I also know you have a way to figure it out, to make it up, okay?
So, baby, are you going to give me a clue?
I married a smart man. I know you can figure it out. I know. So how are you, Brian?
Fine, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Brian, what are you doing here?
Yes, I invited him. Brian, thank you for coming, and thank you for all you did for my daughter. I appreciate it. I didn't have the opportunity to thank you all this while, but I'm saying thank you right now.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I mean, my daughter is a very, very wonderful person. It wasn't hard to be there for her. I wish I was there throughout her stay in the hospital, but you know, working her.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom told me everything you did.
And you know what? He called to check up on you every day in the hospital. He is truly a gentleman.
He is. But Mom, does Dad know about this?
Yes. Yes, I know about it. I asked your mom to invite him.
Yeah.
I asked your mom to invite Brian over.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
Anything for my beautiful daughter. Brian.
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're in your final semester in school.
Yes, true.
You're doing it all by yourself?
Yes, sir. I mean, the shawarma business is quite profitable.
And you refuse to accept any assistance from her for your tuition?
Yes, sir. There was no need because I can do it on my own.
Wow, you're a real man. I actually thought you were a gold digger.
No, sir.
Interesting. Well, Brian, what do you think about my daughter?
Sir, I really respect your daughter a lot. And I pray to God that one day I'll be good enough to go down on my knees and ask her to be part of my future.
Wow. I actually apologize for misjudging you.
It's alright, sir. I hold no grudge against you.
Thank you. Yes. Welcome to my house.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mom.
Can I?
Sure, come in.
Okay. My darling, I'm sorry for all we have caused you. See, you don't deserve it. You don't.
Oh, it's okay. I forgive you on that. I mean, people make mistakes, right?
One more thing. Brian. You see, you're so lucky to have a man like that. And I don't doubt he's going to make a fantastic husband.
Mom!
Of course I know! See, I know I'm a woman and a wife, and I know all these things. The way he looks at you. I've not seen that kind of genuine love in my life. It's the best I've seen.
I know, Mom, and that's why I was ready to fight for it.
And you fought well for it. You did. And you won. You won the fight and the war. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, dear.
Thank you.
I have to retire to my room. I'll see you in the morning.
All right.
Take
Good
care
night.
of yourself. Good night, darling.
Yeah.
You know I love you.
I love you.
All right. Take care.
I think I prefer this one. This one.
I prefer this one. But I look so serious.
So what do you want to do? Maybe you should sleep over it.
I have a better idea.
What?
Come with me.
So, where are we going?
Claire, just drive.
But that was what you said like 30 minutes ago.
Drive, Claire, drive.
Okay, I'm driving. So where am I going? Should I keep going straight or should I turn right?
You decide. Anyway, you want to turn.
I decide.
Yeah.
Brian, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, park here.
Park?
Yes. Good. Listen, Claire. I just want to be free and alive. That's what I want to do. Breathe the fresh air and just drive, okay?
Okay, talking about being free and alive, all thanks to you. Today I'm free and alive. Hold on.
Alright.
It's my dad. Hi, Dad. Yeah, he's with me. Alright, we're coming right away. Alright.
Any problem?
I don't know, but he sounded jumpy.
I think we should go back now.
Yeah, we should. What's going on here? Oh. Tasha, are you okay, Dad? What's going on? Okay.
Claire Okonkwo. It might not be now, but will you marry me?
Yes! Yes! Yes,
Congratulations.
I love you. Thank you.
Now,
Tasha, you knew about this? We all did.
congratulations.
Congratulations, darling.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You both come here. Congratulations to you both. We welcome you to the family van, and we're very glad to have you here. And then we do hope that you will grow with my daughter to the extent that you'll be able to manage the affairs of the company and the family. And at that time, we can conveniently retire.
Yes.
For now, we induct you into the businesses of the family and welcome you formally as my son.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
sir.
Daddy. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Then, take care of my daughter.
Yes, I will.
All right. Congratulations. Tasha.
Thank you.
Tasha.
Yes, sir.
You know what follows, right?
Joy that overwhelms that I won't deny. The way you kiss and swing your hips, damn, you blow my mind. Why do I need paradise when, baby, I'm in heaven, loving you forever? When you smile, my heart trembles like I got some fever. Touch me now and not tomorrow, take me in your arms. Love me like you did the first time when we fell in love. By the river, by the river. All I want is happiness, and that means loving you. Turn me to princess, I just wanna be with you. Give me your love, give me your all, give me your soul. That's all I want, that's what I want. All I want is happiness, and that means loving you. Turn me to princess, I just wanna be with you. Give me your love, give me your all, give me your soul. That's all I want, that's what I want. All I want is happiness, and that means loving you. Turn me to princess, I just wanna be with you. Give me your love, give me your all, give me your soul. That's all I want, that's what I want. All I want is happiness, and that means loving you. Don't need a princess, I just wanna be with you. Give me your love, give me your all, give me your soul. That's all I want, that's what I want.